Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Igbo Teacher. My name is Edna. Kenkenemen ndị nkem. What's happening, my people? If you are seeing me for the first time, you are welcome. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. To my returning subscribers, God bless you. In this channel, we talk all things Igbo language. Yes. How to learn Igbo language like a pro. That is what we do in this channel. In today's video, we'll be learning the Igbo alphabets. Abidi Igbo. Or you can call it Mkpụrụ Edemede Igbo. Mkpụrụ Edemede Igbo. The Igbo alphabet has 36 letters, unlike the English alphabet that has 26 letters. And this comprises of 8 vowels, which is called in Igbo language Uda Ume, and 28 consonants, Mbochi Ume in Igbo language. Ready? Let's begin. A, B, Ch, D, E, F, G, B, H, Gwe, I, E, I, J, K, B, Whe, Le, Me, Ni, Ni, Nwe, Nye, O, P, R, S, Sh, T, U, O, V, Wi, Nye, Z. Ka anyị mụgharịa ya ọzọ. A, B, B, chi, chi, de, de, e, fe, fe, ge, ge, gbe, hi, gbe, 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 hi, i, e, je, ke, kpe, kwe, le, me, ni, nge, nwe, nye, o, pe, re, se, she, te, u, o, vi, wi, nye, ze, ndewonu. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Kodi.